students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the sum of the first 30 terms of arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 using formula. So our AP is 3, 7, 11. So first term of our arithmetic progression is given as 3. And common difference is the difference of two consecutive terms. That is 7 and 3 are two consecutive terms. So difference of 7 and 3 is our common difference. So common difference is 4. Now the summation of first n terms formula is Sn is equals to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now n, sum of first 30 terms, so value of n is 30 is equals to, wherever n is, we will write 30. So it's 30 divided by 2 into 2 times a, value of a is 3, plus n is 30, 30 minus 1 is 29, and d is 4. So this will become 15 times 6 plus 29 into 4, it is 106, 2980 plus 36, it's 116, correct? So this is equals to 15 into 122, correct? And 15 into 122 will be 122 into 15. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 5 1s are 5, 1 6, 0 1 2 2 0 3 8 1. So it's 1830. 1830 is our sum of first 30 terms of arithmetic progression. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.